morning after the night before.
Yeah.
We're both a bit tired now. It's 10 AM and we are heading into Blackpool to the Pleasure Beach. And what better way is there to get into Blackpool than tram?
I was walking down by the pier in a thunderstorm, on the same side where we first kissed many odd years ago. I was feeling some kind of wonder when you called my name, and every time I closed my eyes to the world, you would open them up again. It's such a messed up place for all there is to face. I couldn't help them if I tried.
And it's a good job we went on the tram today because there is a road race on the whole. I don't know if you saw when we were doing the filming coming down, but the whole road is closed off down the front as far as you can see in any direction. I think Maxon said it was till
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Now today we're going to meet up with a couple. You will recognise when you see them. She is famous for her style choices and her love of lounge fly bags, and he is famous for his tightly kept beard and his spray on pants. So let's go and see if we can find them here in the Pleasure Beach. We have our e-tickets, looks like we're entering through the car park to get in. And if you park here in the car park, it's £18 for the day, just so you know. So let's see where we get in. E-ticket entrance. Oh, is it this way? Because it's early morning, so they're bringing people through this way.
Yeah.
Oh yep, screens of Blackpool Pleasure Beach, we're back. So I'll go and find these other couple. Pretty painless getting in, even with the new ticket system. You do have to scan every ride with your QR code. Let's see how the phone lasts for the day, the battery wise. So we'll make our way over to Icon. So knowing that couple, I know that's where they'll be. You got it there. So you have to basically, I guess you just go straight that way, past Nickelodeon. Hang a right past the carousel.
Every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help you? Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. Yeah.
We get on Icon. It's like it's a walk on, Max.
Yeah.
Walk on Icon. You get on the Pepsi Max big one next, Max. Get on the Pepsi Max big one next.
Just be my parachute.
Certainly got the sting effects going on Icon. Got pretty wet on that front seat. We got the front row, didn't we, Max?
We did.
And we got fired up. And it was, I put loads of mousse on. You're absolutely soaked. I took my coat off, but there's so much steam. I mean, you can see it back there. There's so much steam coming off the thing. Front seats were soaked anyway, but it's a really good ride. That you forget how twisty it is, backwards and forwards. It's like I say, it's a baby velocity coaster, isn't it? Really. So now we're going to go on a ride that neither of us have really been on before, because every time we come it's too windy.
Yeah.
So we changed our park tickets because when we were coming tomorrow it's windy, and we're going to get on the Pepsi Max big one. Have a ride on that. I think I might leave my coat on for this one then. Next, it's the Pepsi Max big one, isn't it, Max? So just got off the big. You just got the big one. What do you think, Max?
Well, that's well rough.
Yeah, look at. You'll see that. I'll insert my picture here. You could see the picture on my face. That was my kidneys exploding. Yeah, it was. I'd say almost as rough as that one in Vegas on top of the New York. So yeah.
Yeah, I don't think we'll be doing it again.
No, I think we both got headaches now, haven't we?
Yeah.
So we keep on going. Quiet day in the park. We got our photo, and we're going to keep on walking around. I think it's walk on for everything so far.
So far.
Yep.
I'd run 1,000 miles if I could run with you.
So yes, we are joined today at Blackpool Pleasure Beach by Ashley and Hello. Better known to you as Travelling Magical. Yes. So we're going to go on some rides and have some fun at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. So what we got, Max? What can we go to Pleasure Beach and not have? Donuts. Hot donuts. And then we're just going to say hello to Ash and Emily. We just got off Steeplechase and they're about to get on it. There they are. We got donuts. Donuts. Smile. See ya. Good luck.
Ready? Ready. Feel the rhythm. Feel the rhyme. Get on up. It's bobsled time.
Yeah, we got off Avalanche. It was quite good, wasn't it? It was fun. Bit of fun. I'll insert Maxine's picture here so you can see how much fun she had. And now we are going. It's very quiet today in the park, isn't it? For a Sunday, it's really, really quiet. So we're going to keep walking around. Get on rides. Maybe go on Icon again. You haven't been on it yet, have you?
We've not been on it today. No.
Oh, what are you doing? Come on. So onwards and upwards. So on to one of the oldest rides, the Big Dipper. Walk on again. This is another one I think it's got the manual braking on it, like the Nickelodeon one is. They use a wooden stick to brake.
Smell it.
Gravity fed. It's not going away the brake though. So we just got off the Big Dipper. What do you think of that? That was rough. My date was just about gone until we went on that again. That was pretty rough.
Yeah.
Getting too old for this.
Same.
You alright?
I wanna stay forever. We could be good together. Guess mystery loves company. Better too late than never. You know we could do better. So take a chance.
No, I'm not filming you, filming me. Why would I film you when I'm here? Do it this side. So we're going on the river caves and we're going to get wet, aren't we, Max?
Yeah.
And Max is not happy about it. Cheers, this last 8 seconds is quick. Exactly 8 seconds.
All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it. Just say the word. Oh.
Now it's time to go on the ghost train. Dead.
We could be good together. Guess mystery loves
5 o'clock, it's the end of the day, the park is closed. You had a good time today?
Yeah, really good time.
Yeah, it's good. Thank you for Ash and Emily for letting us join you today. Yeah, it's been good. You'll hear the big ones going up as well one more time. So we thank you all for watching. If you like what we do, please like and subscribe. It does help the channel. Add your comments. We try and respond to all of them. And we will see you later. Bye.
Everywhere